Hi, this is Jessie with the Jessie Banwait Team, and welcome to my newest listing here at Northmount Village, an exclusive complex of 35 executive homes. Come on, let's have a look. This two-story executive townhome is quite rare. It offers almost 3,000 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, a completely finished basement, an open concept layout, walk out to the backyard, an amazing kitchen. Let's go have a look. So this truly is an exceptional floor plan. You get the 9-foot ceilings, open concept, the grandness of this kitchen, how it opens up to the family room, and the walkout to the backyard. For more information, please do give me a call.